The offset function allows you to give Excel directions on which cell to go to. The offset function allows you to give Excel a starting point and then directions for where to go from that starting point. So for example, we could tell Excel to start at cell A1 and go down 1, 2, 3 rows and go across 1, 2, 2 columns to bring us back this 10. So it allows you to pick a starting point and give it directions on how to find the value that you're after. So let's do an example here. Equals offset A1, and we want to go down 3 rows, to the right 2 columns. We just type in 3, then 2, and we should return the value of the 10. Great. So that is how offset works when you are just entering a number of rows and columns. You can, however, enter these things called height and width. Now what they'll do is, I'll just get rid of these 3 and 2 for now, make those 0, 0 and 0, which means just keep us at cell A1. If you enter a height, it's going to create a range of that many rows. So if we say 2, it's now going to consider both A1 and A2. And if we enter 2 for the width, it's now going to be 2 columns wide. So it's going to be this whole range. And that's useful when you want to use it with a different function, such as sum. You put sum at the start, and now it's going to sum for us those 4 ones and give us a value of 4. So that's a useful way to use the offset function with just entering the heights and the widths.